So the Google Pixel 5 is gonna launch very soon, but before that we have 3D CAD renders of the device itself. OnLeaks has collaborated with Price Baba this time and revealed the design of the Pixel 5. By looking at the renders, we can confirm that the design language of the Pixel 5 will be similar to that of the Pixel 4a. On the front side there is a flat display with punch hole cutout for the selfie camera, and according to OnLeaks, phone will have 5.8 inches screen size with an Quad HD Plus OLED panel which is going to support 90Hz refresh rate as well. Talking about the back, Pixel 5 will have same plastic design like we have on the Pixel 4a but with triple camera sensors, which means there will be main camera shooter with a telephoto zoom lens, and this time we can expect ultra wide angle camera sensor in a square type camera module. We can also see physical fingerprint scanner on the back which was missing in the previous Pixel 4 series, and looks like Google is ditching the actual Face ID this time. Unfortunately, there is no headphone jack, so you may rely on wireless solution or get yourself an adapter. And under the hood, the phone will be powered by mid-range Snapdragon 765G CPU with 5G connectivity, which also helped to lower down the cost of Pixel 5 this year. The device is rumored to have 3080 mAh battery size, which is little higher than we have on the Pixel 4, with 18 watts of fast charging and wireless charging as well. Now coming to the launch date, according to John Prosser, Google Pixel 5 will launch on 30th September along with Pixel 4a's 5G variant. Previous leaks also suggest that the phone will be priced around $699 but as of now there is no official price details, so take it with a pinch of salt. So that is it in this video guys. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think about the Pixel 5 with mid-range Snapdragon 765G CPU, and if you end up liking this video then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.